So what is MCP? And yeah, right. If you have any questions, just ask them, and we can show them in the stream, and then I can answer them. Especially when we wait for AI to answer, it's a great moment to ask questions. So let's start off with MCP. Right. So there's a website for MCP that explains it all. If you want to dive deeper, I recommend just visiting modelcontextprotocol.io. Quite a long thing. And in general, what MCP is for AIs, which are called MCP clients. Let me zoom in a bit. Which are called MCP clients, to have a standardized way of accessing resources and tools to execute actions and get more recent information. Especially for AIs, that's great, because AIs are a way to compress information, so to speak, and it's a lossy way of compressing information. So giving the AI a way to access fresh information that's not compressed allows it to be more correct and hallucinate less, be more reliable. So the terminology here is MCP client is an AI calling MCP servers, and MCP servers are an interface to connect anything really to the AI. It could be a database, it could be an API, heck, it could even be a 3D printer. I've seen these things. So you can also combine these. And the cool thing about these MCP servers is that they have one action that can we show it here? I can actually show it live. We have one action that allows us to see what the MCP server can do, and then the AI can dynamically access new actions. So we could, in theory, even just update dynamically what the MCP server can do and access these things. So you've seen the weather example a minute ago, and that's an MCP server that I built. So we're first going to look at the MCP server very quickly, and then we're going to look at the MCP client. My motivation here is to talk a bit more about the MCP client, because there are tons of tutorials and explanations on how to build an MCP server, but a lot less information about building MCP clients. These could be agents